guys, this is Jess from Jessica Welling Interiors, and I had always wanted string lights on our patio, but our patio is just up next to our house and there was nothing to hang the string lights from over on this side. So today we're going to show you how to make really simple string light poles. And the great thing about these is you can pull them out of the ground in the winter time if you want to store them in the garage or something. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's get started. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to include a printable on my blog post, and I'll put a link for that down below. Please remember to subscribe and like. Thanks!